Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. I tell you what, that shot looks even better in the replay. Lovely timing. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. Well, that's a six. The power is extraordinary. Well, that's a massive six. Made a cracking sound at the bat. Glorious. Absolute. Not a great ball, and that has been hammered. Terrific shot. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. Well, that is glorious. Absolutely glorious. Perfect timing. That was a stunning shot. He has hit that exactly where he wanted to. Poor ball, but that's a sensational shot. That's going to be four. That ball deserved a boundary. Not a great ball, and